It's only $20. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make a healthy meal. You're gonna buy some potatoes, cut them up, add salt and pepper, set the air fryer to 400. You're gonna buy some steak, season those bad boys, put the potatoes in the air fryer and let them cook for about 10 minutes. You're going to put some butter in the pan and then gently place the steaks in the pan. Cook both sides for about 2 minutes. Throw some garlic in there, some rosemary. Let the steak sit before you cut it. Potatoes are done. Throw some cottage cheese on top and don't forget the raw milk.